Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the 5 best mirror dash camera. I made this list based on my personal opinions and our research. I've listed them based on quality, features, and I've included options for every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for best mirror dash camera, have the products for you. To find out more information and updated pricing on these best mirror dash cam, you can check out the links in the description below. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Fifth product on my list, NexiGo D80 2.5K mirror dash cam. The NexiGo D80 front and rear with Sony IMX335 Starvis sensor mirror dash cam. 2.5K QHD resolution. The NexiGo 12-inch mirror dash cam is equipped with a 2.5K high-resolution front viewing camera and a 1080-pixel rear camera, delivering sharp video quality in both day and night. Powerful night vision. Integrated Sony Starvis sensor IMX335 can automatically balance the light and dark areas of any captured video to display crisp, clear footage in low light conditions. 12-inch IPS screen. The mirror dash cam comes with a 12-inch anti-glare IPS touchscreen that provides more vivid and bright colors and offers a wider field of view than the traditional rear view mirror. The IP67 waterproof rear camera with HDR function supports enhanced night vision and prevents video overexposure while driving. Multifunctional. The NexiGo dashcam provides a variety of functions including emergency recording, looped recording, reversing aid system, and parking monitor. It will also automatically erase any old, outdated footage to make space for new recordings and automatically lock any emergency footage if an incident occurred. H.264 video compression. The NexiGo D80 dashcam adopts H.264 video compression technology to store higher quality recordings on smaller SD cards. 2 dual-lens cameras. The NexiGo D80 dashcam provides higher color accuracy, image quality, and driving details in real time. Fourth product on my list, Carchet T12 rear view mirror camera. The Carchet T12, 12-inch large IPS touchscreen and amp, waterproof backup rear view mirror camera. Nearly perfect dark night vision. T12 mirror dashcam is equipped with Sony IMX335 sensor, which can capture clear video in low light or even no light conditions. Record everything you want to see day and night. 12-inch IPS full touchscreen. Different from other mirror dashcam, Carchet T12 2.5K 12-inch IPS screen with the sensitive full touch screen makes the operation easier. Swipe the left screen to see the lens full field of view. Loop recording, collision lock. Continuously record video. Even if the memory card is full, the G sensor will automatically lock the collision video to prevent this important video from being overwritten. Dual lens, adjustable angle. The adjustable lens at the front 170° and the rear 160° provides a 330° all-around vision, reducing blind spots in the field of vision and easily grasping the front and back movement of the lane. Parking assist system. The parking assist system will automatically start when the vehicle switches to reverse gear. It reminds you of obstacles and distances when reversing, helping you to park safely and perfectly. Third product on my list, Wolfbox G840H mirror dash cam. The Wolfbox G840H full touchscreen waterproof backup rear view mirror dash camera. 2.5K full HD resolution, adopted a high-performance processor. This HD reverse mirror camera upgraded the resolution up to front 2.5K and rear 1080 pixel. Unprecedented front and rear visual experience both day and night. The front and rear lens adopt f1.55 and amp, f1.8 large aperture, supports multi-level 3D denoising, removes motion smearing and color noise, supports strong light suppression and backlight compensation. The car dashcam uses 12-inch large high-definition display and brand new and unique user-friendly GUI interactive design. Real Sony backup camera. The 1080-pixel rear cam adopts a real Sony Starvis sensor, records super clear video behind the car even in rainy and foggy days. With IP68 waterproof level, you don't need to worry about rain or dust in the open air. 12-inch bigger touchscreen. G840H driving recorder adopts 12-inch IPS full touchscreen. With higher resolution, it will provide more vivid and bright colors. And the user-friendly UI interface will make your operation easier and more convenient, such as swiping left and right to easily switch between front and rear image. Second product on my list, Pormito D50 triple mirror dash cam. Pormito D50 12-inch 1296 pixel IPS touchscreen night vision Sony sensor dash camera. 12-inch bigger screen with wider vision, 12-inch rectangle big screen eliminates most of the blind spots, brings you a super wider vision during driving with more peace of mind. GPS tracking helps the camera record more information. With GPS antenna included, the driving speed, route and vehicle's location will be recorded in file as more evidence. Wider view angle, safer driving AMP, monitoring, 170-degree front, 150-degree rear and 140-degree inside view records simultaneously, giving you the maximum protection during driving or parking. Waterproof AMP, weather-resistant backup camera. The backup camera can be installed inside or outside of the car with included brackets. It is waterproof and performs well under extreme temperature or various climates. Loop recording with sensitive G-sensor. With loop recording, the old footage can be overwritten by new one, then release out the storage, so the SD card will not be fulfilled. G-sensor can auto-detect the hit and lock emergency video without overwritten. Industry first 12-inch 3 channels HD mirror cam. Pormito triple rear view mirror camera recording rear, front and in-car view simultaneously, gives you peace of mind inside and outside of your vehicle. You can switch to any view you prefer to display. First product on my list, AUTO-VOX V5 Pro Super Night Vision Dashcam. AUTO-VOX V5 Pro OEM look rear view mirror camera with neat wiring. No glare, crystal image. V5 Pro utilizes the full laminated screen to ensure a crystal image without glare even under the intense sunlight. The IMX307 sensor helped to restrain the high beam lights to avoid the dazzling situation. A good performance for driving safety at day and night. No delay Stream Media Dashcam. The Stream Media technology transmits a full 1080 pixel footage without delay, record the license plate and all crashes clearly. 9.35-inch full screen improves roughly 4 times greater field of vision than a traditional rear view mirror. Improve your driving experience. More rear view zone for parking safety. The rear view images show with guidelines automatically when you shift into reverse. You can slide down to lowers the rear view angle to have a closer backup image while parking. 150 degrees view angle rear camera ensures you a more than adequate view of what's behind your car. Eliminate all blind spots to making parking much easier. GPS tracking. The GPS data syncs up with the video clips when played back in AUTO-VOX player so you can watch the footage and see your location on a map. Split screen display. The Dashcam supports 3 display mode, front, rear, and front and AMP, rear simultaneously. You can switch them arbitrarily by one touch on the screen, which helps you to familiar with the road situation at any time.